This past March, Collegiate hosted its first ever Collegiate Camp, welcoming incoming freshmen to learn and engage in different hands-on activities while exploring the school. Students from middle schools such as LBJ, RYMS, Austin Middle School, and more came to participate in this new yearly event. Students participated in many stations in topics such as audiovisual, biology, and more.
Well, my name is Mariza. I'm a senior here at PSJA Collegiate, and right now we are getting our middle schoolers prepared to tour around the school and to have a full day here at Collegiate.
Hello, my name is Mariza, and I'm the principal of PSJA Collegiate School of Health Professions, and today we're very excited to host some of our 8th grade students from our PSJA middle schools for our recruitment camp. The expectations are that these students get to see all the great, amazing things that are happening at Collegiate. We have the best teachers, the best students, the best parents, and we're hoping that as they continue to know more about Collegiate, it will solidify their decision to join us when they go into 9th grade and choose Collegiate as their high school.
My name is Juan Torres, and my favorite thing is the library because of the activities it offers and all the variety of books.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Condran. I actually teach biology here at PSJA Collegiate, and I'm so happy that we get the chance to actually be a part of this registration fair. And we're all very excited to see all this middle school coming and visiting our campus. And we're hoping that, of course, we're going to have all of these kids to be a part of Collegiate because we know that the kids here are really going to be successful and be ready for STAR exams and also be more like into the dual college courses classes. And that will prepare them to be a better students when they go to their college, college or universities, and for them to be successful.
We hope to see all students who participated in this year's event back at PSJA Collegiate soon. For Collegiate News, Romel Mata.